ilalagay. She bought me a new wallet. And it's pink. Lagyan natin ito sa bag. One thing I like about this bag is may zipper siya sa likod. Yan. And then, makaka-access ka na sa loob. So, you don't actually have to open the top. You just have to pwede ka rin makaka-access ka na sa likod. I choose red kasi parang ang boring pag black. Okay, I got a planner. Pero, diary yung nabigay ni mama. It's still like a planner though. Ayan. Nagpabili din ako ng index card. Ayan. And then, highlighter. So, ito na. 15 pesos yung isa. Test natin. Hala, orange. Cute. It has a finish na very pastel-like yung finish. Yan siya. Yan yung finish niya. And pouch. Return to school. Back to school again. And stick glue. Paano ito basahin? Bobo? Bobo. Okay, since I already unpacked everything na binigay ni mama, or binili ni mama, I'll just pack them all sa bag para tomorrow, review na lang yung gagawin ko and other stuff na nilista ko sa bulletin board na nasa likod. Wait. Okay. Yung sa bulletin board na nasa likod, let me lift you up. Yan. Yan. So, parang dyan ko na lang nilagay yung to-do list ko kasi lately, sa sobrang nervous ko, I cannot think straight. I cannot do the to-do list system. So, ayun. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much and wish me luck. So, okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.